Hello everyone. Today on management and information system we're on chapter 8 where we're going to discuss on securing information systems. So here we go. So our learning objectives today we're going to explain why information systems are vulnerable to distraction, error and abuse. We're going to describe the business value of security and control. We're going to describe the component of an organizational framework for security and control, and then we're going to describe the tools and technologies used for safeguarding information resources. So here we go. So about system vulnerabilities and abuse, we can say first, we can start by defining what security is. So we can say security, these are policies and procedures that are and technical measures used to prevent unauthorized access, alteration, theft, or physical damage of information systems. So then we also have controls. These are method, policies and organizational procedures that ensure safety of organization's asset, accuracy and reliability of its accounting records and operational adherence to management standards. So why systems are vulnerable? Why systems are vulnerable? We can say just because of accessibility to networks, and then hardware problems, breakdown configurations, errors, damage of improper use of crime. Another one is software problems such as programming errors. When you are trying to code, you make those errors, and then installation errors, installation of different software and authorized changes, and then even disaster. And then we also have use of networks, computer outside of firm's control. Also loss and theft of portable devices that are portable. So contemporary security challenges and vulnerabilities. So we can see here, let's observe what is written here. We have a client is us, the user. So the contemporary security challenges and vulnerabilities that the user is going to face are unauthorized access. If you are not unauthorized. Another thing is errors for the user or a client that a client can make. And then another thing here, we have a communication line. So where there is a communication line, you can see that there is tapping, sniffing, message alteration, theft, fraud and radiation. All those are what security challenges. Tapping, sniffing, message alteration, theft, radiation. And then about the corporate server, we can see that there is hacking, viruses and worms. Another thing is theft and fraud, vandalism or denial of service attack. So we also have the corporate system. Within the corporate system, we can see that there is a server and database. So what's on the middle here, we can see that we have the hardware, operating systems and software. So about the corporate system, the way this system cooperate, we can see that there is theft of data. Hackers or threat attackers are able to steal data. Another thing, there is copying data. Another thing is alteration of data, hardware, failure and software. So we can see here on the figure, it is written here. You can see that the architecture of a web-based application typically includes a web client, a server, and a corporate information system linked to database. Each of these components represents security challenges and vulnerabilities, such as we can see floods, fire, power failure, and other electrical problems can cause disruption at any point in the network. So let's go to the next slide about system vulnerabilities and abuse. About system vulnerabilities and abuse, we can see that where there is network open to anyone, if a network is open to anyone, you face internet vulnerabilities. Another thing is size of internet means abuses can have wide impact. Another thing is use of fixed internet addresses with cable DSL modems creates fixed targets for hackers. Another thing is unencrypted VoIP. Another thing is email P2P IM. Another thing is interception attachment with malicious software transmitting and trade.